What's up everybody? Today we're going to get another quick tutorial about the AllTrails app and what it means to have a verified complete trail. Let's go ahead and jump into this one. So as you can see, when we open up the app, there's actually some markers in the top left hand corner, and you're going to see something like this one where it says verified complete, or in green you'll actually see it says completed. Now there is a difference between the two. Anybody can complete a trail. You can either mark it, or you can complete less than 75% of the trail in a recording and it will be marked as complete. But if you do more than 75% of the trail and you record it within the AllTrails app, or you do it within Garmin and then link that to your AllTrails app, then you'll actually get the verified complete badge. This means that the app has verified that you've done this trail. Now the really cool thing about this is that while it is automatically doing the recording of the trail that you're on, sometimes we overlap on trails. So you might do one really long trail that's a subset of 4 or 5 other trails, and they will actually check this in the background process and make sure that since you've done those, you'll get the verified complete badge for those as well. So this makes it really easy while you're looking at the app to be able to determine which trails you've completed, either partially or fully, and which ones that you want to do next. And so I want to show you a quick little tip that I use, the verified complete, that I really enjoy. When you have the verified complete, you can start loading the map and looking at what trails you want to do. You can either use this map view here, or you can go ahead and go into list view. And what you see is that there's actually the trails that you've done and they're marked there. So you can go into the filters, this top second to the right icon, when you tap on that. And then if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, one of the filters is trails that you have not completed. You can select trails you've completed or trails that you've verified completed. So if you want to see the trails that you've done in this area, go to the verified complete. And if you want to see trails you've done partially or manually marked as complete, you can hit the completed. But for me, I want to find new trails in this area, so I go ahead and hit the not completed button. And then you can see once I hit that, it went from 94 to 74 trails. So I've done a good amount of trails in this area. Now when you click see trails, as we go through the list, the ones that I've already done are no longer on the map. So this is a really great feature for tracking purposes and filtering purposes to find new trails. You know, if you ever have troubles with it where you should have got a verified complete but you didn't, go ahead and reach out to their support. The team over there is super awesome and they will get it corrected for you. And by the way, this is not sponsored. I'm just a big fan of using this app for my research. If you find these videos helpful, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below so I know you like what I'm doing. Most importantly, just have a great day. Hope to see you on the trail.